I'm Aaron from Thorne Constructions. I'm the construction manager slash carpenter slash whatever else need to be. Our orders for the project for 4 to 600,000 at Hall Street Semaphore.
I'm Christina, I'm from Thorne Constructions also. We are so glad to have won the award. We put so much hard work into it over the last year. So much time and attention and work was put into this project to make sure it delivered the quality finishes and the exact vision that both the client wanted and that we wanted for the project. It's nice to see that recognised.
Beautiful project. Our clients are awesome. Repeat clients. We did the best. It's a beautiful end result. We love the project, and obviously it paid off. So. I 100% agree with what Christina said. There's a lot of hard work. I had my boys working around the clock on this project. Like I said, repeat clients, they wanted perfection, and that's what we offered them. And that's why we got it.